In today's video, I'm going to teach you how link Xero and Stripe. By the end, your customers will be able to pay Xero invoices online through Stripe, and those payments will flow back into Xero for easier reconciliation. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Xero organization and that your user role allows you to manage payment services. It also helps to know which Stripe account you want to connect, especially if you manage more than one. Start on the Xero dashboard. This is your home base, and it's the quickest way to get to the settings we need. From the main navigation, open the business menu. In that menu, choose online payments. This section controls how your customers can pay your invoices, including card and wallet options, and it's where we'll add Stripe as a payment service. Inside online payments, select Add New Payment Service. Xero supports different gateways, and adding one here will make a Pay Now button available on your invoices when the service is enabled. When the list appears, choose Add Other to see additional provider options beyond the default suggestions. From the provider options, select Stripe. Stripe is a widely used processor that supports major cards and popular digital wallets in many regions. Keep in mind that standard Stripe processing fees apply, and your available payment methods and currencies depend on your Stripe account configuration. You'll now be asked to add the necessary information in Xero. The exact fields can vary, but generally you'll confirm your organization details and how you want this service labeled for customers. Use clear names and descriptions so your team can recognize the service later. If you see options related to how payments are applied to invoices or displayed on payment pages, choose the settings that match your billing workflow. Accuracy here helps ensure your invoices show the correct payment button and that payments post cleanly for reconciliation. When you're ready, click Connect to Stripe. Xero will redirect you to a secure Stripe page to authenticate. If you already have a Stripe account, sign in and authorize the connection. If you manage multiple Stripe accounts, pick the correct one for this Xero organization. Check that the business name and country match what you expect, and verify the right currency and bank payout settings are selected in Stripe. After you approve, you'll be sent back to Xero and should see Stripe listed as an active payment service. That's it. From here, new invoices that use the relevant branding theme can include a Pay Now button powered by Stripe, letting customers pay instantly. If you don't see the option, double check your permissions in Xero or try refreshing the page. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the time you'll save with faster, more automated payments.